Yeah, in all of their wisdom, Honda made the BuddySeat lock over here. The BuddySeat lock over here, which in my opinion is a very stupid place to put it, and even to say it mildly. All the dirt that a tire wire splashes away comes on and into the lock, which in my opinion not a good place to have the BuddySeat lock. Terrible place. So, that was another video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, please put it in the comments below. See you the next time. Old Mechanic out.